What's up, beautiful babes? It is Sweet Angel. So glad you clicked on today's video. Yes, and welcome. If you're new to the channel, don't be a stranger. Follow me on all of my social media outlets. You'll find them in the description box under this video. Subscribe to the channel and tap that post notification bell. When you ring my bell, you'll be in the know every time I upload. And today, goodbye dark circles, hello flawless skin. Are you ready for this, beautiful babes? I think you've asked about it time and time again. Sometimes there's always something new you can try, but I just wanted to share with y'all today's top home remedies that are easily accessible right in your kitchen. Try one of these. Heck, try all of them. Let me know your results. Comment down below. We're first starting with a cold press, like for real cold press. You can use water or milk. Just soak a washcloth in the cold liquid, be it water or milk, and then apply the compress over your closed eyes. You can even use a cold spoon for this remedy. Also, try ice cubes. Wrap the ice cubes in the compress and place it over the eyelids for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat 2 or 3 times per day. One of my favorite oils is almond oil. Start by applying some almond oil on the dark circles. Use gentle circular movements to massage the area and then leave on while you rest overnight. When you arise, wash your face with cold water. The treatment will help, but do not expect miracles after just one night. Repeat it until the dark circles are history. Coconut oil. To get the best results, apply some coconut oil to your hands, rub them to warm the oil up, and then massage under the eyes. Let the coconut oil stay there for a few hours, and then wash it off with cold water. You can repeat this treatment 3 times per day. Repeat until you are satisfied with the results. This is turmeric. Mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of pineapple juice. Make a paste out of the ingredients and apply it to the affected area. Leave the paste to work its magic for 10 minutes and then wipe it off with a washcloth. This treatment can be done only once per day, but repeat daily until you are satisfied with the results. And we all know about cucumber. Just a slice of a fresh cucumber can be used. Let the slices chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After that, apply them on the dark circles for 10 minutes. Remove the slices, open your eyes, and wash your face with water. You can repeat this treatment 2 times per day. And yes, a raw potato. You can apply raw potatoes in slices the same as you did the cucumber, or you can extract the juice. To do that, grate the potato or use your juicer and then soak a cotton ball in the juice. Apply the cotton ball on your eyes for 15 minutes. Wash with water and let your eyes dry naturally. Same as with the cucumbers. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times per day. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is great for so many things, but for dark under eye circles, squeeze fresh lemon juice in a bowl and then use a cotton ball to soak up the juice. Apply the cotton ball or cotton round around your eyes for 10 minutes. Wash it off and dry your eyes. You can repeat this treatment once per day, no more. However, you can do this every day for a few weeks. And then a well-known staple in the kitchen is tomatoes. Tomatoes are known for their bleaching properties. You can apply tomato juice on its own by dipping some cotton balls in it and then massaging the area around the eye. Or you can mix tomato juice with lemon juice without any other additions. The ratio you want is 1 teaspoon of tomato juice and a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Use this treatment no more than once a day. And beautiful babes, does it get any easier? There you are with several home remedies of items that you should already have at home. Don't have to go out and buy a thing. Start getting rid of those dark circles right away. Goodbye, dark circles. Hello, flawless skin. Y'all, I'm your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now. Please, if you enjoyed today's video, drop a like on it, share some hearts in the comments to let me know you have arrived, and I will see y'all on the next video. But do one more thing for me. Don't keep me a secret. Please share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next video.
She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as a storm. She's been breaking chains since the day she was born. They tried to silence her truth, but oh, she